I saw this video on YouTube and I thought it'd be really funny for us to try.
Why are you talking weirdly?
I'm not talking weirdly. I have a blindfold on. I'm talking normally. So there was a couple.
Yes.
And they did each other's makeup, which I thought was super cute. But they were blindfolded at the time. So I thought we could try this. This smells like hideous. Okay, wait.
You're gonna wet your pants.
Thank you, this would be so much fun. Okay.
I'm gonna guide you into my eye, alright?
Okay, wait.
So you're holding my head square on at the moment.
Okay. This needs to be like a Did that work?
Yeah. Yep. Right on.
Do I need some more?
No, I don't think you do. Got about a kilo on the other one. No, you can put your thumb in my eye.
I'm trying to find your eye.
There.
Okay. Okay. Do we want some lips?
I'm not sure if I want some lips.
Okay. Do you look beautiful?
I think I do.
Okay, can I have a look?
Are you ready for the reveal?
I'm ready for the reveal.
Okay, take your blindfold off. Are you ready?
Yeah.
I wouldn't be applauding that.
Oh my god, it's amazing how fun that is.
I don't know what that bit is there.
Yep.
Is it like painting a wall?
Yeah, it's like, yep. Just like painting a wall, yep.
Cross hatchet?
Yeah.
That's
That's the tip, yep. Yep, good job, yep. Yeah, perfect. Really good job.
Not following the contour of the...
You're also stabbing me
Oh,
there.
sorry. Did that one draw on?
Yes, and look what you did to the pencil.
Oh, did I break it?
Yes.
Sorry.
Yep, perfect. That's exactly where my eye is.
Oh, die!
Ow! Perfect.
Now...
Oh my god, look what's doing here.
Now you just need to put the finger in your mouth and pull backwards so you don't get it on your teeth.
Is that better?
I think we're done.
Okay, bit of blusher. I look delightful. Would you like to have a reveal now?
I think I would.
Okay, wait, I'll turn around and you can have the big reveal. Are you ready?
I am ready. You look like a kid who's drawn on a wall, and you're the wall. Oh, I left out the right eyebrow a little bit, didn't I?
That's when you broke the pencil.
Oh.
Hi. My makeup while you're blindfolded.
Wow, I can see you're surprised by that.
Yeah. Yeah, I know. I did his while blindfolded too.
Oh my.
That's an improvement.